to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm preparing for you organic collard greens. So let's get started. We're going to wash the greens in the sink here, and I will cut some of the stems away because you notice the leaves are very large and some of the stems are very tough, so that's why I usually cut them away. Cooking greens keto is not very different from cooking them the regular way. The only thing that you omit in your greens is regular sugar. So we're gonna just replace that with sugar-free sugar. That's what we're gonna do. So it's not very different at all. So on a keto diet, you don't use flour, the regular flour, white flour. The only two flours that you use are coconut flour and almond flour. So that's the only thing you do, and you omit sugar. On our keto diet, we eat a lot of green vegetables. And where I get my fat mostly from is from an avocado. I usually have one a day, and that's my fat. Place these back in the water, rinse them again. And I'm gonna cut them up. I'm going to set my Instant Pot on saute. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter in the pot. And I'm gonna add my greens to the pot at this time. I'm gonna add 1/4 of a quarter of onion to the pot. This is all I'm gonna add. Let me go ahead and chop that up now. onions into my eyes. That's because I cut into the vein in the back of the onion. If you don't cut into this part of it, your eyes won't water. See that stem there? What I did. I like the onions to be a little bit bigger in my green. I'm going to add 1 smoked turkey leg to the pot. And I'm not going to add any salt at this time because a lot of times these are very salty. So you want to really wait until after you cook it before you add some salt, because this has a lot of salt in it. So I'm going to go ahead and place it in the pot. I'm going to add about, I would say, 3 tablespoons. That should be enough. Cut up a stalk of celery. Add the celery to the pot of collard greens. I haven't added any water as of yet, but I will be adding some water. I'm adding 1 cup of water. I'm going to turn the Instant Pot on to, let me turn it off now, and I'm going to turn it on to meat and stew, and I'm going to let the greens cook for 35 minutes. I'm going to add a teaspoon of basil. Okay. I'm going to add a pinch of pepper flakes. Add a teaspoon of hot sauce, Louisiana hot sauce. I added 3 cups of water in this pot and cooked them for 35 minutes. So the meat is really, really tender. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Oh, the greens are absolutely delicious.